All right, so we're at the Red Shed Brewery. We're gonna go in and have some beer and some food. So come with us now, we're gonna check this place out.
I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So watch your feelings, the city's screaming when I'm coming home tonight.
It's time for the beer flight can.
But they all disappear, they will let you down, so we better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it right now.
Alright, so first up is the MOHAWK PILSNER. Wanna try first?
Sure.
Alright, you try first. This should be crisp, light, and refreshing.
It's crisp, light, and refreshing.
See? Not really a surprise, now is it? That's what Pilsners are on a hot day. Crisp, light, and refreshing. Yes. It's a good one.
You definitely taste like a person.
You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, cause the time is right now.
So I took the liberty of ordering 2 Drunken mushroom Swiss burgers, 2015.
Yes, this is actually our second one. We started out Cherry Valley, and we still do all of our weddings in Cherry Valley.
Oh, okay. This is the Drunken mushroom Swiss burger. Drunken mushroom Swiss burger.
We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it right now.
There we go. It's burger time again. Always messy but good. Horseradish. Forgot to tell you that.